Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Okay, so this is Love the Moment January. So this I haven't seen really that well. Oh, okay. So these are way bigger than I thought. This is, oh, let me scoot you back out. I scooted you in for the last video. Large die of the month. This is really, really nice. I love this. So you get best friends, you and me, that's best. Kiss me, love always, true love, and then I think you get a normal heart. Yeah, this is the normal, no sentiment heart. And then this is the small die of the month. Look how beautiful that is. Love it. I'm telling you guys, I am loving this kit. It's been amazing. I can't wait to see what next month is. Okay, so this is the actual card kit right here. This is just the large die and the small die. That is actually $63 altogether. I think it's worth it. So I told you that in the last video, and I still mean it. So foam dots, standard what you get. Standard 10 cards, 10 envelopes, and the tape, the adhesive is all standard. So those things are standard. And you get cardstock. Let me wait for the cardstock. So you get some. Now I know people were showing these because this is actually a kit that I like looking at the sneak peeks because I just think it's phenomenal. And I love how everyone does the 10 kits or 10 cards out of the kit. I love that. But like I said in the last video, I want to do that too, but it's not going to happen right now. Not with me being so sick. So these are all leaves. I love it. And it's not a gaudy gold, which I'm thankful for. So I can't stand gaudy gold. Oh, look at how pretty these rhinestones are. Isn't that pretty? Wow. The stamp set. Oh, I'm glad they didn't put the thing on there. Oh, so you can put these in here in the middle, so you can use it like this or like this. But you can put these little sentiments in the middle. How pretty. Okay, let me go with this one next. The paper pad. I'm excited to play though, you guys. I really am looking forward to playing again. So, it's just, oh, I really want to. Tired of being sick. Really tired of being sick. Oh, I love, see, my favorite color is lilac. So when, I think Spellbinders does the most purple lilac colors in their kits, and I just love it. I like the gold foil too. See, it's so inspiring. I just love I love that. I'm going to keep it up. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. Oh. Oh yeah, I have ideas. Actually, I have ideas. But once I start cutting things, it's like, oh, then it goes away. So, I think I have a few more days of my medication, and then I'll be done. So I think that was, yeah. So you get 2 of each of those. And then, oh, look at, so you get some that are dimensional. This is dimensional. This is dimensional. This right here is dimensional. The little frame is dimensional. Cute. I like the sentiment. Sorry for the glare, but it is what it is, and I'm not going to stress right now. Stress is making me sicker, so I'm like, okay, just let it go. What did Cheyenne tell me? Woosa, woosa. So I'm like, yeah, I know, darling. So purple, silver, gold. Plus this kit has been out for a long time, so I'm sure you've already seen it. Lilac, pink, but I wanted to see it on camera with you guys, so hey. Burgundy, black. Love it. So, and then this is the die. You get the car. Hold on, I got a cough. Sorry. You need the car and then the little love hearts. See, and it looks like that. Cute. Love that. Love getting the dies. But I love the ephemera, the die cuts. You get so many, and and you get 2 of each. It's just awesome. I'm not going to go one by one because, like I said, this has been out for a while, but I just want to see a little bit. Oh, look at that. Let me scoot you in. Okay. Oh, look at love. Oh, you guys, I cannot wait. I am going to do the 10 cards, but it just won't be, I'll be showing it on Instagram probably in a couple of weeks, but not now, but 2 weeks or so. Oh, these are what, dominoes? Is that what they're called? Dominoes? It's been a long time. We don't play games here, so we're not game players. So I forget what a lot of these things are, because we just don't. When the kids are younger, you know, you play Monopoly and Candyland and stuff, but it's been a long time. Tim and I rather watch Disney movies and lay in bed than play games. Oh, see, I love this stuff, you guys. It's just beautiful. I love the gold foil. So nice. Wouldn't miss a moment. Aw, that's cute. Have courage and be kind. Right? How hard is that? Just do your best. Oh, look at the plates. Or the silverware. Zebra. Cute. Look at that. Wouldn't that be pretty like that? Pretty. Oh, I love tickets. I love tickets and labels and tags. It makes my day. Okay, so that's the ephemera. Okay, whew. Gotta go blow my nose, you guys. All right, we'll see you next month. Take care. Bye.